here we go. We got all the way up to the top of Rainbow Falls. There it is. Oh, it is awesome. It's Charlie down there in the blue, and Ashley and Pam are over there. There's the bridge we had to walk across, and we are up in the Smoky Mountains. No bears yet, but it would be really awesome. Look up there. Isn't that beautiful? This is beautiful. And here comes Dana. Dana, yay!